Hi, boys and girls. This is Math Class for Monday. We are done with multiplication. That was a long unit. We've been multiplying for almost 2 months. So today we're going to start division. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Addition and subtraction match together. Multiplication and division, they're like a family. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to teach you some rules about dividing. I know that you did do some division last year, so get your multiplication tables out because it will help you. You just do it backwards. I will be sure I have my planner here tomorrow so that I can show you, or a multiplication table. Okay, so for today, we're going to look at some different rules. Let me turn my camera. Oh, that didn't work. Just a second. I don't want that bar. Okay, so we have these are the three things that we have. We divide by the divisor and we end up with the quotient. The quotient is the name of our answer. When we multiply, it was the product. Our answer, if they say they want the quotient, they want the answer. So a lot of times you'll see your division. Here's what we call a division box. So the dividend, which is always, for you, the biggest number, well, it's always the biggest number, goes on the inside or it comes first, okay? The divisor is what we're dividing by, and then we get our quotient. So the biggest number, here's what we call a division bar, okay? I'll show you where to find that on your keyboard, okay? Because you have to use this. They don't have the nice little division sign on the computer, okay? So 30 divided by 10, which is what we did here, 300 divided by 10, we get 30. So 300 divided by 10 equals 30. And we read this the same way. 300 divided by 10 equals 30. Okay? So, sweeties, this is our first rule, division by 1. If we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. 16 divided by 1 equals 16. 2,590 divided by 1 equals 2,590. 391 divided by 1 is 391. So if you see a 1 in there, you just automatically put the other number. Okay? Now, division by itself. If we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. So 28 divided by 28 is 1. 500. So when you see the same number, you know your answer is going to be 1. 518 divided by 518. 518 can only go into itself one time. 6,932 divided by 6,000. Whoops. That should be a 932 equals 1. These numbers have to match. Sorry about that. And then 0. 0 is the same as multiplication. If you see a 0 anywhere in the problem, your answer is 0. So you don't even have to look farther than the 0. You know you're going to put 0 there. Okay, fact families. So this is what they're going to do on part of multiplication, or part of your division, part of your IXL today. If 14 divided by 7 equals 2, then they want you to come up with a multiplication sentence. So you would take the two small numbers, 7 times 2 equals 14. And they'll show this to you on the computer. Okay, you won't have to fill it all in. If 120 divided by 12 equals 10, Then take the back two numbers and multiply them. 12 times 10 equals 120. If 48 divided by 8 equals 6, then back two numbers, we multiply the two small numbers. 8 times 6 equals 48. Okay? They're also going to give you multiplication problems. If 3 times 9 equals 27, then they want you to do a division problems. Division, you always start with the big number. 27, and you'll have to use that symbol today. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. You could also do 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Okay? If 8 times 9 equals 72, then start with the big number. 72 divided by 9 equals 8, or 72 divided by 8 equals 9. And on IXL, you can do it either way. 9 times 5 equals 45. Then start with the big number, 45. This will always come first in division. Divided by 9 equals 5. If they show you this, remember the big number goes inside. Divided by 9 equals 5. Okay, there are different ways that you can write division. So let's look at IXL. Oh, sorry, I don't know why that bar is there. Maybe we can move it over a little bit more. Okay, so here's that if then. Okay, if 4 times 5 equals 20. Now look, they already put the 5 and the 4 down there. So, all we have to do is put the 20 in there. You use the same numbers that they have, okay? So 5, 4, bring the 20 over there. Okay? There we go. If 6 divided by 1 equals 6, then there's your 6. There's your 6. What number do I have left? 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. Oh, look, I see a 0, so my answer has to be 0. 90 divided by 9 equals 10. There's my 90. There's my 9, so that has to be 10. If 6 times 9 equals 54, then 54 divided by, they already put down the 6, they put down the 54, 9 is my only choice. 12 divided by 1, it's 1 there, we're dividing by 1, so our answer is 12. 12 divided by 4, 12, 4, what's left? 3. Let's try that one. Okay. 3 divided by 1. There's a 1, so it's going to be the 3 then. Okay, my computer is freezing up, but that's basically what you do. If there's a 0 in the problem, you just put 0 for your answer. So go to IXL E.5. E.5 and do the lesson. Have a great day.